Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Understanding for Loops in Python with List Iteration. Introduction. Python's for loop is a powerful construct for iterating over elements in a sequence. When working with lists, a commonly used data structure in Python, the for loop allows you to iterate through each element efficiently. This tutorial will guide you through the basics of using for loops with lists, providing code examples to illustrate key concepts. The basic syntax of a for loop in Python is as follows. Here, iterable represents the sequence of elements you want to iterate over. An element is a variable that takes on each value in the sequence during each iteration of the loop. Let's start with a simple example of iterating through a list of numbers. In this example, the for loop iterates through each element in the numbers list, and the print number statement is executed for each iteration. As a result, the output will be. You can also use the range function to generate a sequence of numbers and iterate through it using a for loop. This is especially useful when you need to iterate a specific number of times. Here, range 1, 6 generates numbers from 1 to 5, inclusive, and the loop prints each number in the sequence. To access both the index and value of elements in a list, you can use the enumerate function. This code prints both the index and the corresponding fruit for each element in the fruits list. List comprehensions provide a concise way to create lists. You can use a for loop within a list comprehension to perform operations on each element of an existing list. This example creates a new list containing the squares of numbers from 1 to 5. Understanding how to use for loops with lists is fundamental for any Python programmer. Whether you are iterating through elements, working with indices and values, or using list comprehensions, the for loop is a versatile tool for handling lists efficiently. Experiment with these examples and incorporate them into your own projects to enhance your Python programming skills. ChatGPT